Meal prep for high-intensity training. Have you ever considered the powerful synergy between meal preparation and high-intensity training, and how they can work in tandem to maximize your fitness goals and overall well-being? High-intensity training is a dynamic and demanding exercise regimen that pushes the limits of physical performance, and it requires precise nutrition to fuel your body adequately. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of healthy living. We all know how essential it is to take care of our bodies and minds, and in this video, we've got some fantastic tips and insights to help you lead a healthier, happier life. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey towards a more vibrant you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our valuable content. In our exploration of meal prep for high-intensity training, we delve into the world of nutrition and unveil the secrets of how strategically preparing meals can provide the essential nutrients, energy, and recovery support needed to excel in high-intensity workouts. Get ready to embark on a journey that highlights the importance of meal preparation in the context of intense training, leaving you intrigued about how this synergy can elevate your fitness journey. 1. The thrill of high-intensity training. Our journey begins with an acknowledgement of the exhilaration and challenges of high-intensity training, a fitness discipline known for its remarkable results and intensity. 2. The marriage of nutrition and exercise. High-intensity training isn't just about the workouts, it's also about the nutritional support that powers those workouts. We'll delve into the essential partnership between nutrition and exercise. 3. The role of pre-workout meals. Nutrient timing is crucial. We'll discuss how pre-workout meals can provide the necessary energy and nutrients to optimize performance. 4. Protein for recovery and muscle growth. High-intensity training places substantial demands on muscle tissue. We'll explore the significance of protein in post-workout recovery and muscle growth. 5. Carbohydrates, the fuel for intensity. Carbohydrates are the primary source of energy for high-intensity workouts. We'll discuss how to fuel your training effectively. 6. Hydration and electrolytes. Staying hydrated and maintaining electrolyte balance is essential for high-intensity training. We'll explore the role of fluids and electrolytes in performance. 7. Meal prep strategies. Meal preparation is key to ensuring you have the right foods readily available. We'll share practical meal prep strategies to support your training goals. 8. The journey to peak performance. In conclusion, meal prep for high-intensity training is a testament to the fact that successful high-intensity training isn't just about the exercises, it's about recognizing the power of strategic meal preparation in achieving peak performance and overall well-being. It's not just about what you do in the gym, it's about the journey to fueling your workouts with precision and maximizing the benefits of high-intensity training. As we embark on this journey into the world of meal prep for high-intensity training, you'll discover the transformative potential of well-planned nutrition. It's a journey of embracing the synergy between exercise and meal preparation, ensuring that your body has the fuel and nutrients it needs to excel in high-intensity workouts and achieve your fitness goals. As we wrap up this video on healthy living, remember that making small, positive changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. We hope you found this information useful and inspiring. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all strive for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.